back with another attempt to get me to like my hair when it's down. I saw someone commented on a TikTok that if you don't like your hair when it's down, you should try like a side part hairstyle. So that's what I've gone for today. Instead of like my middle parting, I'm going for like a side part to see if I like it. I might actually end up changing this hairstyle before I end up leaving the house today, but we'll see how it goes. So I'm heading to an Oatly pool party. I'm really excited. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. And I'm meeting one of my creator friend at the event, and we might be going for shisha and dinner afterwards. So I can't wait, and I'll take you guys with me. So today is actually really exciting. We have a touchland padel event to get to. I've never played padel in my life. Me and sports, I don't think we work together, but I'm excited to try it out, and I'm excited to take some really cool content as well. I've never played padel in my life. Nothing to discuss, cause I did by default and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out though. I'm a mind. Okay, so the padel event was so much fun. I took some content. I don't know if I took enough for you guys to kind of see like the extent of everything. I think I just wanted to focus on the event, focus on taking some of the iPhone shots as well, because I'm going to post something on my Instagram and on TikTok as well. But overall, it was such a fun event. I think the music was great. It's just being able to wear like a cute outfit. I think that itself is just a vibe. But as you guys can see, I'm changed. I'm in an abaya. So I'm actually heading to meet my friend. We are actually going to be going to Heath. That's going to be on a yacht. So I think for the winter season, they wanted to change things up where you can actually experience, you know, the cafe vibes, but on a yacht instead. So that's where we're going tonight, and I'll take you guys with me. So let's go.
Because of what I did on beats, baby. Light sweet, baby. I ain't stopping. You just go get ready, we go out, baby. Long time looking for the process. And Dre had to bounce it. Told me, leave all of your things, yeah. You stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Told me, fly you out the beach. Full speed, so for it belly me.
Hey guys, so we are heading to Global Village tonight. I'm so excited. GV is probably one of my most favorite places to go to. It's so easy to get your 10k steps in, and the food is so good. And I think it's just such a great way to spend your winter evenings in Dubai. Take you guys with me so you get to experience Global Village with us as well. So let's go.